My name is Dana Zito. I'm a VP of Mortgage Lending with Bemortgage in Chicago, and I've been in business for 14 years now. Today I'm going to talk to you about closing costs and how I typically address them with my clients. I like to think that closing costs fall into three main categories, and that's lender fees, title fees, and prepaids. Lender fees are simply the costs that are attributed to whichever financial institution you choose to obtain your financing. Those typically include the appraisal, a credit report, and the origination fee, or the cost to process and underwrite your loan. Title fees are the costs that are associated with the title company that will conduct the closing and insure the lender's lien. They'll also record the mortgage in the county land records. I like to think and explain to my clients that title insurance is typically something that will protect you from an occurrence in the past before you own the property, something like unpaid property taxes or a construction lien that was never released. Prepaids are costs that are associated with establishing an escrow account for the taxes and insurance for your mortgage. They're not fees, they are just your money that are being set aside for payments to be made at a later date. Instead of one lump sum payment during the year, you're paying the taxes and the insurance on a monthly basis. A closing cost credit is a rebate or a reduction in the standard fees that would typically apply when purchasing real estate. That can come from the seller, it can come from your lender, but it's typically negotiated at the time that you go under contract on a home. Buyers should budget approximately 3%, but truly closing costs and title fees vary so greatly nationwide that their lender should just be familiar with what's typical of the area and guide them based on that, because closing procedures and costs are different depending on the state and even the locality where you're buying. The biggest piece of advice I would give to first-time home buyers is to research as much as possible well in advance of your closing, and make sure that you're knowledgeable about the entire process, your options for financing, and all of the costs that are involved. If you'd like to get in touch with me about working together, please see the contact information at the end of this video. I'm registered in all 50 states and enjoy working with first-time home buyers, investors, and seasoned move-up buyers.